Hi folks, my name is Tom.Peterson and I'm proud to do a video presentation for you today on this 2021 Apex. It is a 289 TBSS. It's got a nice bunk area in the back, nice big open floor plan inside, and really good storage, as well as an amazing construction of all laminated ceiling, floor, and walls. Let me go ahead and show you a few things on the outside here. You do have a nice heavy compartment doors, which I love, with the metal clasps on here. And you also got automotive seals like you would on your cars and trucks, which I like really well for keeping that dust out. Nice clean storage area there, separate from what's underneath the bed. You also have a nice big patio awning here, and we'll cover that outside kitchen here shortly. Let's go inside. I'll show you a few key things. You do end up having a nice trifold sofa, so that'll come out into the living area, but it will sleep two adults fairly comfortably. And you also have a big booth dinette that makes into a bed. You've got outside windows that are also frameless, and then you also have some traditional windows that will open up for ventilation as well. And then of course in this main area, your refrigerator, your oven, and your easy fold now on your flip up there is nice for the burner covers. And then you got some storage overhead, your large stainless sink in there, which is also real nice, and good counter space in the kitchen. And then when you go back over, you've got your bathroom area here, tub. You got some counter space in there next to the sink on the bathroom, and your medicine cabinet overhead, room in front of the toilet for somebody to sit with longer legs, so you got some good room there. And then when you look back in the main area here, you've got a you can kind of sleep two kids up here, another person there, as well as somebody that can sleep down here when it's made from the couch into a quick folding jackknife bed. Okay, so that will fit down there like that. So it's kind of nice. You have extra sleeping. If you don't, you just fold it back up into a couch, and then they can sit here. If the camera person can show you here, we do have some storage and a place for a TV down below. You can see that. So again, when you get back in here, there is also storage in through here and a couple of drawers. Your main area on the entertainment center here, which will have your DVD and everything, this will swivel, so when the doors are shut to the main bedroom, you can see both TV in there if you want to, or choose to have it in the living area for your TV viewing experience. You do have a little bit of a storage area you see down below, as well as up in a cupboard there that is by the main door. So that's another feature too I like. In the main bed, you've got a big it looks like a full-size queen. You can kind of call me at the number at the end of the video and I can clarify any of these specifications, but it looks like it does. It does have the nightstands both sides and the closets, and also you've got storage that's going to be overhead. That glass, automotive glass at the head of the bed is also nice too for adding additional light. And you do also have a vent that is overhead here for extra ventilation and cross ventilation on both these windows. So we'll go on the outside. I'll show you a couple things on that outside kitchen, which makes it nice. The sturdy step as I'm coming out is also real nice. You got a refrigerator, and you have a drawer here, and you have your Coleman, so it uses little green bottles, so you can kind of barbecue outside. So you go back around here. This Coachmen product does use the rack and pinion slide system. It's a little heavier duty and all that. I like the way that is set up. And you've got your black tank flush, which is another nice feature nowadays. Your outside shower here. Again, a big patio awning I covered before. Outside speakers. And as we go to the front, there's that automotive window I told you about, some LED accents, and also that nice cap here that's molded. Makes it stronger. You do have a power tongue jack that's lighted as well. You know, at Guaranty in Junction City, it's an RV show every day, and I'd love to talk to you. So remember, give me a call at the end of the video, Tom.Peterson, or you can ask for any of the numerous salespeople here. They'll love to help you out as well. But if you have any more questions, please feel free to give me a call. Have a great day.